hides far away. It whispers soft with leaves that sway, and opens when the skies turn gray. A garden blooms where no one sees, with butterflies and buzzing bees. The flowers dance upon the breeze in colors bright as summer seas. The trees are tall, the vines are sweet, a magic place where dreams meet feet. The sunbeams warm the soft earth's feet, and every petal sings a beat. The birds sing songs of days gone by, as stars peek down from evening sky. The garden gate will softly sigh and wink at you with each goodbye. The fairies play, the rabbits hop around the gate that never stops. With gentle wind and raindrops plop, the secret garden's heart will pop. So if you find that hidden space, come visit soon. The gate's your place, where every bloom and leaf's embrace will make your heart a happy trace. And born and stay white, pretty corn, we're all in things and bright a heart, and meek with bitch with brownie mart, the frames that they will on their start.